So, good day everyone. I am Teacher Friendly, and for today's topic, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of statistics. So, our topic for today is all about measures of variability for ungrouped data. So, variability measures help us understand how data points are spread out or dispersed. They provide important insights into the range or spread of a dataset. By the end of this session, you will be able to calculate the range and standard deviation for ungrouped data. So, let's get started. To begin with, let's consider a scenario. Imagine we have a group of individuals and we want to analyze their ages. Here are the ages in years of 10 individuals: 25, 30, 28, 27, 33, 29, 26, 24, 31, and 32. And our task is to calculate the measures of variability for this ungrouped data. Okay? Okay. The first measure we'll explore is the range. The range tells us the difference between the maximum and minimum values in the data set. To calculate the range, we need to arrange the data in ascending order. So, we have the step 1, arrange the data. Let's arrange the ages in ascending order. So, it will become 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, and 33. Okay? Okay. Now, let's move on to step 2. Calculate now the range. To find the range, we subtract the minimum value from the maximum value. In this case, the minimum age is 24 and the maximum age is 33. Therefore, the range is 33 minus 24, which equals 9. So, the range for this data set is equal to 9. Did you get it? Nice. Now, the next measure we will discuss is the standard deviation. The standard deviation quantifies the spread of data points around the mean. To calculate it, we will follow a few steps. Now, for calculating the standard deviation, we have first involves calculating the mean. The mean is the sum of all values divided by the total number of values. For this data set, the sum of all ages is equal to 285. And since there are 10 individuals, the mean is equal to 285 divided by 10, which is 28.5. Now let's move on to step 2. It requires us to find the deviation of each age from the mean. To do this, we subtract the mean from each value. Let's calculate the deviations for each age. Now we have here, for 24, the deviation is 24 minus 28.5 equals negative 4.5. For 25, we have the division is 25 minus 28.5 equal to negative 3.5. Then, continuing this process for all ages, we find the deviations here as follows. For 26, negative 2.5. For 27, negative 1.5. For 28, we have negative 0.5. For 29, we have 0.5. For 30, we have 1.5. For 31, we have 2.5. 32, we have 3.5. And 33, we have 4.5. Now, let's move on to step 3. It requires us to square each deviation. So this step ensures that all deviations are positive and emphasizes the spread of values. Squaring each deviation, we get, for 24, we have 20.25. For the age 25, we have 12.25. 6.25, 2.25, 0.25, 0.25, 2.25, 6.25, 12.25, and 20.25. And finally, in step 4, we calculate the sum of the square deviations. Let's add up these square deviations. 20.25 plus 12.25 plus 6.25 plus 2.25 plus 0.25 plus 0.25 plus 2.25 plus 6.25 plus 12.25 and plus 20.25 is equal to 82.5. Now we are ready to calculate the standard deviation. We will use the formula of population standard deviation, which is the square root of the sum of square deviations divided by the number of values. For this dataset, we have 10 individuals, so we have 10 as our divisor. Applying the formula, the standard deviation is the square root of 82.5 divided by 10. Using a calculator, we find that the standard deviation is approximately 2.87, rounded to 2 decimal places. To summarize, we calculated the range and standard deviation for the given and group data. The range was found to be 9, indicated the difference between the maximum and minimum values. The standard deviation was approximately 2.87, showing the spread of the data points around the mean. Okay? Understanding the measures of variability is crucial in statistic analysis. They provide valuable insights into the distribution and dispersion of data. With these measures, we can make more informed conclusions and draw meaningful comparisons. And that concludes our session on measures of variability for group data. I hope you found it informative and gained a better understanding on how to calculate the range and standard deviation. Thank you for your attention and feel free to ask any questions you may have. That's all. Bye. Again, this is Teacher Friendly at your service.